Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm participating in the seasonal Garland DIY challenge hosted by the Schwarzen's Nest and Simple Roots, Simple Living. Please head over to these ladies' channels. They have great content to share, and the link to their channel will be in the description box below. So for my DIY, I use a garland I purchased from Ross. Originally, the garland had some red accessories, red ribbon, red berries, etc. So I've removed all the red accessories, and now I'm going to replace them with some silver and some powder blue ornaments. Excuse me for my fingers, I know they're spray painted, so excuse me for that. So these accessories were purchased from Dollar Tree, and these signs, peace, believe, and joy, were also purchased from Dollar Tree. The red berries, I spray painted them silver. And now I am going to fan out the garland. I'm not sure the length of the garland, but it takes pretty much the entire length of a table. I believe it's 6-foot table, so about 6 feet. And also with the garland, what I did, I sort of spray painted some part of it white. Okay, and so now I'm going to take one of my ornaments, which is this here, the blue and silver one. I'm going to take that apart. And once you take it apart, it comes out to 3 pieces. So I'm going to take it apart so I can adhere each pieces to the garland. So I'm going to use 2 of those ornaments, so that's going to give me 6 pieces. Starting from the end of the garland and work my way down. And now I'll be using my glue gun to adhere the pieces to the garland. And those were the only pieces that I actually hot glue to the garland, and everything else was I just stuck them in and they can be removed. Kind of spread them apart. Here I'm adding the 3rd piece towards the end of the other side of the garland. So I've added all the silver pieces, and now I'm going to add the blue snowflake pieces. And that's the only piece that's missing, a rhinestone in the middle. And you will see later on where I add the rhinestones on the blue snowflake. To complete the look, I added the silver ornaments, the berries, and the wordings. So this is how I styled this beautiful glam garland on a tablescape. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not already a member of my channel and you like what you see, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell twice so you won't miss out on any future videos. Thanks again and stay blessed.